Hello and welcome to Chipy.com's instructional video on the monthly competition. In this video, we will go over everything you need to know about the competition, from eligibility to claiming your prize. All registered Chipy.com users are eligible to participate in the monthly competition. To learn more about how you can gain experience points, check out our Experience Points and Level Explained guide. Each month, the top 20 most active users on the site are awarded prizes. There are two types of prizes: Chipy coins and real money. Depending on your activity level and leaderboard ranking, you may receive one or both types of prizes. The top 5 most active users will receive both real money and Chipy coins, while the remaining 15 winners will receive only Chipy coins. You can check your ranking and experience points by hovering over your username and clicking on Leaderboard on your account page. Here you will see your username, ranking, and experience points. At the beginning of each month, the quality assurance team verifies all competitors on the leaderboard. Any users who engaged in spammy behavior to earn experience points will be eliminated from the competition and their account will be suspended. The top 20 monthly competition winners are then notified via email and on-site notifications. The prizes consisting of Chipy coins will be automatically added to your balance after the quality assurance team approves the leaderboard. The status of your prize on the user homepage will be set to completed once the coins have been credited to your account. Learn more about Chipy coins by checking out our What Are Coins guide. If you are one of the top 5 players in the leaderboard, you can claim your real money prize directly from your user homepage. Here's how. Log into your Chipy account and go to your user homepage. Scroll down to the Your Activity section and click on the Redeem button next to your reward. You must have a verified payment method set up to receive your real money prize. If you haven't set up a payment method, you'll need to add your payment details and correctly set up your account for payouts. Once you've added your payment details, click on the Yes, Send My Reward button to confirm your real money payment. The payment status will change to processing. Your real money prize will be transferred to your preferred payment method account within 7 business days. Once the payment is made, the reward status will change to completed. That's it. We hope this video has helped you understand how the monthly competition works and how to claim your prize. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact our support team at support@chipy.com.